Hi, Douglas Simonson here, coming to you from Mexico with a painting demonstration. Today I'm doing a portrait. Today's painting is a portrait of a very handsome young guy in an image that I fell in love with the first time I saw it. I thought it would be fun to paint, and it was. As usual, I took the source image and tweaked it in Photoshop to make it easier to paint from. This process makes the image a lot easier to work from because it reduces detail and makes it easier to see the big shapes. And it also reduces the number of colors so you can see more clearly where one color ends and the other one begins. When I'm painting, I'm referring to both these images. Once I've tweaked the photo, I transfer the big shapes onto canvas with pencil. And then it's time to paint. Starting with the darkest darks is usually a pretty good way to begin a painting. It depends on the image, but it's generally a good way to go. I'm putting in the background early on this one because I know exactly what I want, which is the same dark gray as you see in the source image. And I also want to make sure that the colors I end up using in the face are going to go with the background color. I'm using some pretty vivid colors in the face, but I'd rather start out too strong than go too timid. I can always tone these down later, and they might work as is, and if they do, the painting will be that much stronger and have that much more impact. At the stage where I'm seeing which colors worked and which didn't. I say some colors work and some don't, but what I really mean is some colors are too light and some are too dark. In other words, I'm adjusting value, not color. At this stage of a painting, I almost never change colors, but I almost always have to adjust them by making some lighter and some darker. almost finished now and I'm just doing final touches. Except that I just realized I didn't finish the chin yet, so I'm doing that. And voila, we're finished. I titled this painting Handsome Rapper, and you can see it now on my website. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me paint and maybe picked up some tips. Please subscribe if you haven't already. That inspires me to do more videos. And if you got a little inspired watching me paint, go put on your painting pants or whatever you wear when you paint and go paint.